Hey guys, this is Stephanie Fair, and I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps to create your travel itinerary for your travel plan. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to maps.google.com, and then you're going to act like you don't know where you're going and put in one of the first locations you're going to go to. This location, the Hotel Navona, is for Tessa's project, and so that's where they're going to stay. You can decide first how you want to set up your itinerary. You could actually do it a couple different ways. You could do it by day so that you have a map of like today we're going to be in Rome, tomorrow we're going to be in Venice, and the next day we're going to be in Paris, whatever you need to do. Or you can also break it down even further. And for today, for Monday, we're gonna be staying at the Hotel Navona. We're going to go to the Pantheon. We're going to eat at this restaurant. So what you're going to want to do is type in where you're looking for, and it will drop a pin into Google Maps so you can see it. And then we're going to click directions, just like we would if we didn't know where we were going. And you can move this around. Like if we're going to start at the hotel, we'll start here. See, I just rolled it around. The next stop she's going to do is she's going to do the Pantheon. And so literally, if you start typing it, it will literally pop up the next place you're going to be going. And so you find it. You can also tell it how you want to go. So right now, we could do it by car, or we could do it by tram, or we could do it by walking. So again, this is something that you may want to do. And then if you want another destination, you could just pop it in right here. Maybe we're going to go to the Coliseum next. Okay. And then it will lay it out. Oh, that may be too far to walk. I don't know. So it's going to tell us how far and everything else. So you're going to do your whole destination for whatever part of the trip you like, and then it will all be on your map. Now, to get it to put it into your presentation or onto your website, you can send the directions. So I click send my directions, and it will ask me where I want to send it. I can email it to myself. I can send it to myself. I also can come over here under options, and I can change how I want it to go. So literally, if you were actually the travel agent, you could send the directions that you want all your people to go to on your phone, like to everybody's phone. So everybody has today's itinerary. Here's where we're going, and here's how long it's supposed to take. So that will help you if you get lost. You also can come back up. I'm going to delete the Coliseum. You can come in and you can also embed it into your document too, which is awesome. So it will give you like alternate routes, just like in real life. It will tell you nearby places. So if you're like have a little hole and you're not sure what to do, you can do that. You could come in and get more, and then also, like I said, you can choose to share it, and sharing it will let you send it to different people. You can embed the map. So when you embed, it gives you a code that if you copy this code and you put it into your Google Sites, it will literally take this map and embed it directly into your site. You can email it to yourself. You can print it, and then when you hit print, or take a screenshot of the page and then save that image and then put it into your document. So there's a million different ways you can put it in. So you could put a map in where it's showing each location you're going to day by day. You can break it down like Tessa's done, where it's each hotel and each restaurant and each stop along the way, and it will have how long it's going to take, if you're going to walk, if you're going to drive, and so on and so forth. So it's really a neat, easy way. And in real life, like I said, you could set this up and then share it with everybody's phone number, and then they would all get the message, and here's today's itinerary, here's where we're going, and here's how long it's going to take you to get A, B, and C. Okay? If you have any questions or you need help, let me know.